What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today got a nice little fish fry for y'all. All right. Now we got our fresh red snapper, beautiful fillet, just sliced up, and over here we got our pieces of fresh perch, delicious stuff, man. Now we're gonna season these up. We got some kosher salt. And we're gonna season them up both the same. Fresh ground black pepper. Then we got a little Discover Flavor fish spice that we're working on. It's a Cajun blend, so it's gonna work well with these fish and grits. I'm gonna put the rest of the salt in there. Get that thing a mix. Now we got that slap yo mama Cajun fish spreader right here. This stuff right here is amazing. Grab us a Ziploc bag. Oh, trusty Ziploc. And we just gonna put that right inside the Ziploc bag. Cause I love to toss my fish or chicken or what have you in the Ziploc. I don't know why I'm leaving that little corn in there. We're gonna put the rest of them in there. Now we're just gonna go ahead and toss our snapper in there first. We're gonna get that going because it's gonna take longer to cook. And we only have 4 pieces of the snapper. Okay. Let's go ahead and give it a shake. Now listen, if you got any tension, you come home from a long day's work and you're upset, just shake you some fish or some chicken. You'll get over whatever you're going through. All right, so make sure it's well coated. All the pieces are coated. If you got to toss it back in there, do so. Last piece. Again, make sure they're all coated, because you want that nice crunch, but you want it to still be juicy inside. We're gonna go ahead and grab our perch. We're just gonna drop all those in there. Give it a nice mix. Drop them right in the bag. And it's so simple, easy, quick cleanup. Okay, that's fresh perch right there. Let's go ahead and seal that bag and let's shake again. Now we're gonna grab our peanut oil, get that heated up. I prefer peanut oil. I don't know if you watched our videos before, but if you have, I'm a peanut oil advocate. I think it adds more flavor and it's healthier. It's not as greasy. Okay, so now that we got the grease heated up, we're gonna go ahead and drop our fish right on in the pan. Get all 4 pieces in there. And we're gonna go ahead and take that perch out of the bredder. Set there for a little while. Get that prep so as these come out, you can add the perch right in. And again, it takes about 2 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on the thickness of the snapper. You want a golden brown, and once they start to float, once them fish start floating again, you know what time it is. It's time to take them out. And that slap your mama seasoning, I'm telling you, that stuff is amazing. And we're gonna pair this with some cheesy grits. Now there's a controversy out there in regards to grits. Some like it sweet, some like it savory. So comment your thoughts. Let me know what you think. If you add sugar, butter, and milk to your grits, let me know. Or if that's something foreign, if it sounds crazy to you, let me know. Or if you need cheese in it with some salt and some pepper, drop me a comment and let me know what y'all think. And then on the next video, I'll let y'all know what I do. All right, the perch is going in. Again, this is gonna cook very, very quickly. One thing to note, if you don't want it to curl up or whatnot, you can take the skin, you can take the skin off. Okay, that's what causes it to curl. Or you can score the skin and you'll be fine. All right. All right, so now that that's out, again, we can pair it with some cheesy grits, and there you have it, family. Fish and grits by Discover Flavor. If you like what you see, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you next time. Peace.